Namaste guys, this is Suvit here again with you on another video, and in this video I want to show you how we mean I and my company Euphoric Trail with Goa Moments, we have been organizing some experiences, unique experiences in Goa, and one of the most popular and the best experiences in Goa is the romantic dinner on the beach for couple, for anniversaries, birthdays or any kind of celebration, or you want to propose someone, or even for pre-wedding shoot. So today I actually came to the place where I organized this to show you live how we do it, what kind of decorations, and even it would be a nice idea for many of you who are planning this kind of things to do for pre-wedding or to surprise your loved one. So you can get some nice idea, and you can, if you are coming to Goa, you can always call us and always know how that is done. So let me take you through this beautiful place. So right now I'm in North Goa in Kandolim beach. This is where we organize this. We have another place, it's called Shiva's Garden Restaurant. So about Shiva's I already made a video. I'll share the link here, you can watch that video. There also we do the same kind of setup, but in this video today I'm going to show you about the beach, how we organize here. So guys, let me take you to the place around. This is the place. It's a very photogenic place for, photo shoot and that kind of thing, especially for pre-wedding shoot. And our romantic dinner, what is inclusive in that romantic dinner is a beautiful cabana setup on the beach with decorations, flowers, candles, some nice lightings, and of course a photo shoot where I do the photo shoot of around 20 edited photos. So this is the whole place. Actually you have places like beautiful, it's actually a boat, if you can see, it's a boat, and here are the beautiful cabanas.